PTIN, EFIN, and a professional tax preparation software are essentials to building your tax preparation business. Understanding why these are needed and how to get them will lead to a successful start in your career. Let's talk about PTIN, what it is, why it's important, and how to get one. We'll also talk about the difference between PTIN and EFIN and the renewal process. Professional tax preparers need to register with the IRS by getting a Preparer Tax Identification Number, or PTIN. The PTIN is a 9-digit ID that is unique to each tax preparer. The PTIN was created in 1999 to ensure the privacy of tax preparers. Before 1999, tax preparers used their Social Security numbers as identification. This made them vulnerable to identity theft because their names and Social Security numbers are indicated on their clients' tax returns. Why do you need a PTIN? The IRS Code Section 6695 requires that all individuals that prepare and assist in tax preparation must be registered with a PTIN. If you prepare any client's taxes without a PTIN, you may incur penalties, receive an injunction order, or get disciplinary action from the IRS. Also, you cannot charge your clients any payment without a PTIN. Your PTIN is similar to a license. When you have a PTIN, you can seek payment from your clients. Otherwise, your clients may have the right to refuse to pay you. Do you need a PTIN if you already have an EFIN? Yes, you do. The PTIN is a different ID than the EFIN, or Electronic Filing Identification Number. You get a PTIN to be able to prepare taxes and charge for it. You get an EFIN so your business can be an authorized e-file provider with the IRS. Another big difference is that PTINs are issued to the individual, while EFINs are issued to the business. Every tax preparer has a PTIN, but not all have an EFIN. If you're building your own tax preparation business, you will need an EFIN. Learn more about EFINs in our other video. Check the link in the description. Applying for a PTIN is easy and free. You can apply online or via mail. The IRS issues one PTIN per tax preparer. Your PTIN is valid for 1 calendar year. After a year, you need to renew your PTIN. The application period starts as early as mid-October. For example, you would like to get clients and prepare their 2019 taxes in 2020. You have to apply for or renew your PTIN as early as October 2019. Here's a tip. It's better to apply online. It's easier and it's faster. Applying online only takes about 10 minutes. Once you're done, you get your PTIN right away. The PTIN application process will require your personal information and financial data. This helps the IRS verify your identity. Prepare your documents before you apply to finish the application faster. Here are the documents that you will need to prepare. Social Security number, personal information like your name, mailing address, date of birth, business information like the name, mailing address, and telephone number, your individual tax return, supporting ID and documents. For lawyers, CPAs, and other state professional licenses, your US-based professional certification information is needed. This means your certification number, where it was issued, and the expiration date. Have your supporting ID and documents scanned and ready to upload. The IRS will also check if you have any criminal and tax offense records. Reminder, the IRS uses your tax returns to verify your identity and your ability to follow the tax laws. Make sure to provide your previous year's tax return. If you filed your tax return within 8 weeks before obtaining a PTIN, use the tax return for the year before last. There are 3 steps to applying for a PTIN online. 1. Create your PTIN account. 2. Input your data by following the website's prompts. 3. Click Submit and check your PTIN application status. Create your PTIN account by going to the IRS Tax Professional PTIN system. When you set up your account, a temporary password will be sent to your email. Use your email address and the temporary password to log into the website. Once you are logged in, change your temporary password for better security. Also, be sure to use the most up-to-date email address. The IRS will send notifications and messages to your registered email address. Follow the prompts to apply for your PTIN. Input your data and upload supporting documents. Double-check that you input all of your information correctly and that it matches the information on the supporting documents. Once done, click Submit. You can check your PTIN application status on the information window at the top right of the main menu. If there are no issues with the information you've given, you can receive the approval for your PTIN within minutes. If you do not have a Social Security number or you need to provide additional documents, you must apply for your PTIN by mail instead of online. Who can apply via mail? A tax preparer that does not have a Social Security number due to a religious objection, a tax preparer who is not a U.S. citizen and could not apply for a Social Security number. Applying via mail will take more time than online. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks until you get your PTIN, so make sure you allocate time for it before you start preparing taxes. Same as the online application, applying via mail has only 3 steps. Download and print the IRS forms, fill out your details, and mail the forms with the supporting documents to the IRS Tax Professional PTIN Processing Center. Go to the IRS website, download and print the W-12 form. This is the main application form for the PTIN. You would also need to download the form 8945 if you do not have a Social Security number because of your religion, or the form 8946 if you are a foreign tax preparer. Fill in the details of the form and follow the instructions carefully. The forms are editable and can be filled in via computer to avoid errors. Print the completed forms and then sign them with black or blue ink. Complete the forms and the supporting documents. You may need to submit original copies of the documents. These will be mailed back after the verification process. Seal them up and mail them to the IRS Tax Professional PTIN Processing Center. You will receive a notification letter from the IRS with your PTIN application status. You will also receive the original documents you've submitted. Your PTIN needs to be renewed every year. The good news is that the renewal process is much easier both online and via mail. When renewing your PTIN, you only need to prepare the following: your personal information, name, mailing address, date of birth, business information, like the name, mailing address, and telephone number, and like before, for lawyers, CPAs, and those with state professional licenses, you will need to provide your certification number, where it was issued, and the expiration date. To renew online, you have to log into your account on the IRS Tax Professional PTIN system. Simply click the PTIN renewal option and follow the prompts. Fill in the details and the supporting documents. Even those who initially applied via mail can renew online. To do so, you have to create an account. Instead of choosing the new user option, choose to indicate your PTIN option. You will then be prompted to fill in the details and the supporting documents. However, you can still renew your PTIN via mail. To do this, you need to download and fill in the W-12 form and then mail it to the IRS Tax Professional PTIN Processing Center. Apply for your PTIN and then start your EFIN application. Watch our EFIN video to know how to get one. Link is in the description. In the meantime, how about giving UltimateTax a try? You can download a demo of last year's software or get a demo of the online version that works on any computer. To get started, visit UltimateTax.com and click the free evaluation button in the top right corner of the page. That's all we have for the PTIN. If you want more information or more detail, click the link in the description.